Another dry sorrel here. So we have one from Anchor. And we have another dry sorrel from Caribbean Dreams. Pineapple. $1,184.74. Tangerine here. Hello, hello. So we have lettuce. Other lettuce. Can get this. Yes, guys. So you can get a cabbage for $960. Wait there, I'm not sure. $960. 26 cents for one cabbage. I guess if you have a, then you can get a little piece of it. $571.65. No, sir. Eggplant lovers, me try this, but it never turn out good. So tomato, yeah. 3 tomato. $411.81. I pay a curry name for this time around. Alright, so I never lose last week though. Supermarket settings. $424.66 for this. Alright, I'm gonna go out on myself. I love this, guys. I love string bean. Was supposed to bring my mic, didn't bring my mic. Alright, so we have the carrots. I'm not even gonna pull it out. Okra. Okra used to sell for $150 a pound, you know. In the supermarket, you could get it for $250. Now $446. No, I'm not telling a lie, I'm not buying it. Jeez, I'm going up. So the lettuce here, another lettuce again, it's a local lettuce. For $739.20. Them pumpkin in a door look good. $741. So the price, so the married woman, you know, add pepper. And see with the price, look at them little bit. Look like my little tour. What's time? $215. Let's see if I can squeeze round the back. This not gonna work. So today, guys, I'm just showing you guys the price supermarket items, and I'm going to try to see what I can get for $5,000. Brooklyn, no need for the better with that. So the pak choy here, I'm not telling a lie, $427. Go on. Alright, so now piece of saltfish. That piece is nice, you know, but that piece I don't like. $751.93. I'm not buy it, you know. Nah, buy it. Alright, it's my favorite, yeah. Pigtail. Not bad. Not bad at all. But I love to buy that pigtail there. But in the pack. Yeah, that's not gonna buy. And them sell it in them have it in a can pork too. So then, yeah. I can buy this. The price. See price there? $1,545.84. Let me go take that one here. The one I look enough for. I feel like them all polish them something here, you know. I feel like them polish them something. The apple them want to take down too. So all of Redderin. Redderin now go and bad. Redderin now go and bad. Grapefruit. June plum almost a dozen. I could never one, but then a June plum there's an orange. The bag of the orange. And then round toes for this, I'm not sure. Big up yourself, Miss Jen, with the sorrel. See dry sorrel there. Dry sorrel. See another dry sorrel here. So we have one from Anchor. And we have another dry sorrel from Caribbean Dreams. Pineapple. $1,184.74. Tangerine, yeah? Wow. I'm going to ask her how much for this. How much this? 246. I'm going to ask her how much for. You know them are good, them are young something. But you know so them are young, them right? Them right, sorry. Alright, let's go. Push. You see the grape? Not bad. I have. No, them not a green one put out it. See the sorrel, yeah? See sorrel, 1,400. 1,415.55. See them, yeah? The other one, yeah. Now support true juice. See them, yeah? Sorrel. I get free food, you know, top up the stomach. Them orange juice, they're nice, you know. I like them. At 200 of them normally sell them for in a shop, but look here, $145.25. I'm going to roll out 2 of them. Olives. Take from the bag, people. But me love the fresh one, them. I don't want a real orange juice. Alright, so nobody come for me. No one no fresh. Go on. My daughter, she love them, yeah. She pick them up. She love them, yeah. I think a 150 or one. So a malt here, they can. They are going to one store with the malt in the back. We normally have the malt in the back, the little case. Okay, so you see meat, curry, black pepper. You have these in the pack. Yeah, I want it on. Imported liver, but some local goats. You see, this is turkey neck. The turkey neck is for $833.34. I use this to make sandwich, but I do for my daughter. But then not the Pioneer. Not the Pioneer one. I love the grace, but today look like I'm just going to have to take the Pioneer. You have the bologna, you have the bacon, you have the frankfurters. So I'm just going to take, I always go to the bottom. Yeah, down the bottom. Okay. Alright, so here's the chicken in the frankfurters, and we have the bacon. Caribbean Passion, on the big up on yourself. Them good with them something here too, but them price up there. See the price there? How much for the Pioneer? The Pioneer slice see there. I look for the one I normally buy and show you, but it's not all our but there, so I now go see it. Miss Jacqueline said me come at town. Well, anyways, I'm at town because I'm visiting my dad as well. People them all love shrimp. Come to the front of the line. So, here is the jumbo rainforest. $3,425.88 for that jumbo. I could have eat some coconut shrimp. I'm not a shrimp person, but my daughter love it. Oh, wait there, a large. Sorry, no a jumbo. Let me talk about. So another one here, super jumbo. No sir. And this is the super jumbo cheaper. Oh, because it's smaller. The super jumbo is for $1,967.14. Why the freezer cold? Things you don't forget views. But it ain't not bad, right? What? Snapper? Nice. $2,625.31. Then put it on now. So people, store show, see it here. And them have the salmon fillet. This one is for $3,168.09 over there now. All the Jamaicans, diaspora, sprat though. Half a bigger sprat. You know, I love whitening and sprat. And the sprat of $605.59. So the ground here. Yeah, but no. Can't buy the banga Mary them, you know. This are for $1,250 for this. And you can get this. This is a red snapper. Get it for $4,468.80. How much? The weight is 1.1440 kilo. So in a kilo. This can work. Depending on your family, you might have to go all two or one. Sliced fish lovers, come to the front of the line. $1,370. $3. Excuse the camera. See it here. Not bad. And this. So you see a gun roll the fish head there.
Can get 4.
Yes, the 4 there.
This
night.
Oh, this night.
And them, yes, you're gonna see the 4 them over this one. Put them back. You're gonna road.
Wow.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Alright, so we're going over here. Over here, so I have the pork. You want to say I go for the fish? I go for the banga Mary. Sorry, mommy. I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
I come for the banga Mary. I'm going to forget to show me I act like I work at a supermarket. And I'm actually doing a video.
Okay.
So I got all this. Big up yourself, mommy. Thanks. So I hold a set of banga, yeah. Banga. Bad dog. My daughter don't like it, so I'm not buy it. $828.98 feet. Ain't not bad. My daughter put the fish on at the bottom. She's been so sophisticated, which is supposed to, right? The pork look good, me nah lie. That one look better. No? Some roast pork. I'm gonna show you something. Hey, try pan bean. Curry try pan bean. Nice, you know. You want to pick up. You know? Soup bowl. I look for some showing the people because when I see it in the supermarket, I was so surprised. But look like the people them buy it out. People them buy it out, man. I was looking for meatball lovers. Can get your mince. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Alright, so you have different type of macaroni. It's a the macaroni business. But that one here, the thick one, that one here, the triple cheese, white cheese. I think we want this though. You want to try that one there? One item for $227.20. Sorry about the video, me get better and better, alright? And the triple one, and the same thing, and them say, no, the original, them I sell them smart, you know, nobody don't want this here, people are level up, nobody don't want that, people are look for them here. So them still up on the shelf, one and few. What is our the spiral one?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna hold one of them here. One of them here. You want to try the white cheese one? So she don't want to try the white cheese. That's 3 more by now. Because 3 I eat for $700 and something dollar. 3 and a $5,000 budget we are work with today. All this. We want one more. You want to take the triple? Me I try the white. Try. No, I see them price. So it don't make no difference. See they're the same thing. Alright, for my fans, let me see it. And thanks for all the subscribers so far. Big up on yourself. New, big up on yourself. Blessings and love. Sorry there. So. Oh, the other one did it. All purpose. This to the back. I feel like caramel porridge is it. And sauce business, yeah. You know, some I want to try them arrowroot up me one day. See the egg replacer, yeah? And this one I use, I give people for egg sandwich. Okay. You see what it say? What it say? But now you don't read it out. It's a contain no eggs. Alright, so my favorite here, jasmine. This I know. Price smart, we're going to get them here something here. See it? $7,015.25 for the biggest one, not them, you know, the big one, them. That one at $3,000 something. Yeah. Alright. Oopsie. Sorry. Yeah, man. Alright, so they wrap them over this, so it's a different type of sauce them here. Buy my one already. No, yeah. Big up yourself. For me a little bit, you know, this or something here. Grace pepper sauce. They not even have the price so much for it. A whole one. My daughter loves sausage on me alone. I look for the liquor them. No. I look for the liquor from Miss Jacqueline. Miss Jacqueline, big up yourself. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, and for everybody who subscribe, big up yourself. Miss Jen, my sister, I'm show you the sorrel I'm already. If you're this far into the video, you come back. Miss Jacqueline, I'm looking for the red label. And actually the one still. I'm looking for the right so. You have the Malta, $175.47. I normally buy this. You get it for $1,036. It's not bad. Yeah. It's not bad. But she want to look for the red label. I don't think them have it right so. Yeah, them have it, you know. Jacqueline, them have it. Miss Jacqueline, big up yourself. Yeah, you. Alright, so them have the red label. Them not really talk how much. Why them take off the price from the red label? So I have to go really ask. I have to go make them scan. So them have that one here. People are buy out the red label, them, you know. If we go down on the back, go take up this. I'm not glass buckle. The one here glass buckle, but the one here plastic. I'm not seeing the price on it, yo. I'm going to take up the one I don't drink alcohol, but I'm going to ask. Is Jacqueline not going to do this for you, yeah? Big up yourself. Red label wine. I'm going to ask how much for it. One girl, I'm going to ask her now. So Miss Jacqueline, she said $863 for this. $863 the cashier said for it. Till I have to write it down, give me 863. So we are continuing the journey. All of the fans in me look for something in the body when I drink, you know. Shamdor, big up yourself. See Shamdor here for $1,006.58. So why them take off the red label? Oh, you have the fruit wine, the Carl's fruit wine for chew up on your cake. $4,720.25. I really gonna be the big one there, 1,000 mash. That's it. She love that one. But me love this. I love Shamdor. And see, I have another one here sparkling. The bell not bad. Me, big up yourself a long time about when I go to school. So we're going to go. I take myself out of soda family, is it? We're going around here so. Alright, I'm looking and see how much for chicken foot them because they act like the chicken foot are wear socks. Not bad. Nobody know about the ears. Not like the chicken foot them I have to go cut off the foot them, you see it. I have nails already, but chicken neck there. Much work. Alright, so we're in the aisle. The soap, this infectant or something, rat trap. That I say hi. Alright, so when I see casserole dish, you can bake. I grab one of this, trust me, it is nice. $4,132. You get some things where you don't normally see in the store then. It is nice too. Show nice so far. Yeah, watch a movie or a service. You don't know the thing set. So we just have one show. You know, so I don't believe. Yeah, cut your. I don't like them something else because if you cut an onion, that's what I really like. Use a smart. Oh, guys, I buy pepper. Oh, the bag, the long see. I'm going to show you the 3 pepper when I get 3. You know, Jamaica said 3. You don't know the thing set. Big up on yourself. More one of them sponge something here. Alright, so I hate that for now, you know. So you don't know the thing set. Please like, share and subscribe for more. You can always come place clean, don't it? Nice and clean, and that we are talking about. We are talking about something real quick. Uno, dos, tres. 1, 2, 3. I get them 3 pepper here for $100 Jamaican dollars. Them little bit. What pepper you call them here? I never use them in my life. Never. I never use them. I never use them before. So rice and peas, I forgot to get the biggest one. And then now the meat. I forgot to try ration out them here, you know. Guys, I'm not exaggerating. No pepper not there. No pepper not there. I'm a pepper tree now beer. No pepper not there. Jesus have mercy, no pepper not there. I have my gardens in there, guys. I have my garden. And I'm trying to revamp because for some reason, so the butterfly, I think butterfly is nice, but when them pitch by the leaf of them plants here, them don't like it. And them eat out the plant and I know them just dead. But anyways, if were you there, you will get this $100. The other day though, I saw them. It was one of these for $100. I'm get three so for $100. So me I give God thanks. But I have to be grateful. In the midst of the circumstances, I still can get pepper down to it, and I still can see that my part. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know if you get enough, where you get them for. If you have a pepper, if you have pepper or sell, you can make me know. Yeah, me all if I send to me, come down there. Yeah, man, we come down there for them, man. Love and blessings all the way. God bless you up. Yeah, man, boom.